Hello everyone, today I talk about how to download and install printed free PLC software. It's called RSLogix Maker Start Lite. Okay, you can Google search RSLogix Maker Start Lite, then you can find this download instruction. Double click. Then go down, go to here, go to the product compatibility and download center. In search, you go to the RSLogix 1000, click, you can find here. Okay, it's a 10. It's mostly it's just a 10. Otherwise, not work. Okay, compare. Go to here, download, double click here. Okay, need research, it's sign in. Okay, or close. Yeah, in here, he requests the unlock. You double click unlock. He asks you, is the reason for unlock just I need assist. It doesn't matter. Is I want to try this software. Okay, unlock. So continue download. In here, we should download the three software. One is RSLogix Mac Start Lite. It's RSLinks. Okay, then go to RSLinks emulator. Then go RSLinks class Lite for RSLogix. Three software. Okay, download. Double click download three. Then download. Yeah, accept download. Direct download. Oh, yeah, we don't need this one. We just need a direct download. Okay, we can choose this one. We download. And this one. Okay. And this RSLinks. So I download already. Let's start how to install this software. First, we install RSLogix Mac Lite. Okay, double click here. Okay. One. Okay. We got the setup. Okay, it's RSLogix accessed. Okay, doesn't matter. We don't need complete. Okay, finish. Then second software is RSLogix. This is very important. If you don't have this one, you can't communication with controller. Okay. Okay, double click here, set up. Request step here, install this one already. RSLogix, just install RSLogix Classic. Okay, next. Here, standard device name or standard drive group, all over. Okay, we can see. Oh, you can see here all the drive. We need this one. And device name, we install everything. Okay, then you can see all this white, that's me. You can install. Okay, next. Install. Now we install this emulation. RSLogix emulate 500. Next. Access. Next. Next. Okay. Yes. Okay, finish. So first we go to RSLogix class. Here. So we got communication, but here we don't need anything. This all the similar is the Studio 5000 RSLogix 5000, RSLogix 500. Okay, you can use RSLogix 500, SFC 500 in here. Okay, all similar. Here we can sometimes we use this one. Yeah. Okay. In here, DP OPC DP service we come here. So here the studio or not studio. This RSLogix control. Here we can start a new one. Here's RSLogix 1000, 1100. This is all the RSLogix controller. Okay, we can choose one. Here, everything controller. It's the process net I/O configuration. You can choose here. Okay, similar. Okay, that's it. This software is very good one for new learning PLC people. It's good. It's free. Okay, thank you very much.